everyone, and welcome back to another one of my videos. I hope you're having a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And as you can tell from the title, this is the second video in my swap series that I filmed with Elizabeth of Fierce Zhai, Jandra from My Expressions, and Nicole from my Pandora Charm Life. And this swap video is the one I did with Elizabeth, so Fierce Zhai here on YouTube. And I already opened the top of the box, and this is what I'm looking at so far. And I'm really excited. She hand painted these cards, and they're just like exquisite. So stunning. She's such an artist. So this is the beautiful Christmas card. Of course, I'll include close-ups. But this is a work of art, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna frame this or display it somewhere because it's stunning. And I was really hoping I was gonna get this one because it's so pretty. So it's a dress form with a beautiful necklace, probably Pandora inspired, and a stunning Christmas tree. And it says Merry Christmas with all the snowflakes and twinkling lights. Truly a work of art. And I love like the moon, like the glow in the backdrop of this. It's stunning, Elizabeth. You're so talented. So I'm gonna open it and let's see what it says. The dearest real life Princess Emily. Oh, you're so cute. You are my inspiration for painting this Christmas card, and it's my first ever. Merry Christmas, Emily. I hope you love all the items that I chose for you, and I added some small things from Sweden, because she's from Sweden if you guys didn't know. Thank you for your friendship, and I'm so happy and lucky to have met you, and I am equally happy and lucky to have met you, Elizabeth. I love you so much. I wish you good health and many blessings to you and your husband. With love, hugs, and kisses from Sweden, Elizabeth. This is so beautiful, and to see your writing is so beautiful, Elizabeth. Thank you so much. Alrighty, I am so excited, Elizabeth. So after the card, we have this lovely setup going on, and she has these cute little notes. It's kind of like Nicole, so creative. I didn't even think of doing that. All right, this looks like tea. What is it? I'm excited. All right, so this is a Southern Flowers. Ems, here is a tea made from rose leaves, orange, and a slight touch of strawberry from Sweden. I hope you like. I'm sure I'm gonna love it, Elizabeth. Not just like it. This sounds amazing. So this is the tea, and it sounds really fruity. Totally sounds like something I'm gonna love. And I love that it's pink. A cute little pink box. So cute and adorable. Let's open the next one. Oh, this is so cool. I love your wrapping paper, Elizabeth. This is super cute with like the little Christmas balls. This is like a little card. It's so cute. Okay, because you love tea, I got you a tea container. Tea container. I placed my gifts inside this tea container to keep them safe, but I hope you love it, Ems. Love, Elizabeth. Oh my gosh, so cute. And I love her little note. It's so cute if you guys can see it. I love it. All right, so let's open it up. I hope I'm opening this in the right order that you intended. Oh my goodness, it says tea on it. This is adorable. Everyone is happy. Tea. With a cup of tea and a cake in their hand. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is so, look, it says tea on the top. This is so cool, Elizabeth. Oh, you taped it shut so it's secure. I have to grab some scissors to open it. So scissors help me open this. So let's open the top. And what could be inside? Ooh, what is this? Elizabeth, this is so well done. What could this be? Oh my goodness, this looks beautiful. First item is this beautiful eyeshadow. It looks incredible. I'm so excited to try this. It's stunning. Oh, and it looks like it has this beautiful like shimmer to it. I'm so excited to try this. Thank you, Elizabeth. I'm a big eyeshadow girl, so I'm really excited to try this one out. All right, next item. Oh, this looks so cute. Something for your lips. So this must be a lipstick. And I'm not sure about the color, but I love it. I hope it suits your taste. Love, Elizabeth. Okay, let's see what this lipstick is. I love makeup so much, so she knows me so well. And I love it because she equally loves makeup, so it's really fun to have a friend that's into makeup like you are. This looks really cool, Elizabeth. All right. Oh, I don't know. I think this looks like a color I'm gonna love. It's beautiful. It's called Sleep Makeup True Color Lipstick, and it contains vitamin E. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And it's called Baby Doll. I don't know, I love pink lipstick, so I'm pretty sure you're good. Oh, it looks so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. I might just swatch a little. Oh, it's a really nice baby pink. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but I swatched a little on my finger. I'm really excited to try this out. The packaging is so cool. I love this packaging. It feels so good in your hand. Like, it has this lovely shape, and it's a nice compact size. Fits great in a purse. I think I'm gonna love this color, Elizabeth. I think you picked a good one. I'm really excited. All right, so moving along in the little tea box. This is so cute, I love it. All right, so the next one, she says, I may be late for Halloween, but I'm early for 2019. Something from your wish list. I know you will love it. P.S. I have it too. All right, so let's open it up and see what it could be. Something from Halloween. I'm so curious now. I hate when you're opening these. I always want to open them so carefully. And all right, so let's see what the item's gonna be. No way. No way, Elizabeth. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited right now. Oh my goodness. I actually didn't think I was ever gonna own this charm. I'm so excited right now. This makes me think of Hocus Pocus, which I love. That's probably my favorite Halloween movie. She got me the Retired Witch. This, Elizabeth, this is so incredible. This charm, I'm so excited. It's beautiful. Oh my, you know what? I don't think I ever realized she was riding a broom. She looks so cute. The detail of the broom is adorable. Oh, and I love how the stampings are on her feet. That is too cute. And her long hair and the cute little witch's hat and her little grin. This is too adorable. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. I'm so excited right now. And I didn't know you had this charm. That's so cool. I didn't even know you had one. Oh my goodness, now we have little witch friends. They're so cute. So excited for next Halloween to put this on my Halloween bracelet. This is incredible. Thank you so much. I actually really want to go put it with my Halloween charms right now and put them all together. I'm so excited. All right, so next item says some Christmas cute stuff from a Swedish brand. Okay, let us see what it is. Oh, she's hiding it. Okay. Throwing something from a Swedish brand. Perfect for the holidays. Oh, I love them. It is perfect for the holidays. It's H&M, and it's the most adorable Christmas earrings, like a little set. So we have Santa. Oh my gosh, so cute, so cute. And then it says ho ho ho, and 2 Christmas wreath earrings, and 2 little oh my goodness, I'm blanking on the name. 2 little balls of little red ones. I love the wreaths and Santa. And the ho 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 is so cute. These are adorable. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. I love these and I'm for sure going to wear them. They're so cute. Oh, and you can't forget Christmas wouldn't be the same without a candy cane. This is so adorable. I love it. All right, and then it sounds like there's one more item in here. Oh, but it has a detail note that I just noticed. It says on it, open me last. So I'll make sure to open it last. Oh, and it looks like it has a cute little mini card on it. Okay, so we'll open this last. I'll save this one to be safe here. And I wonder what this could be. It's such a cute shape. So let's open it and see. Oh my goodness, Elizabeth, what is this? So it says Pandora Unforgettable Moments. What? No way. This is too cool. Is it a makeup brush? It's like a blush for, oh my, but it says Pandora on it. I didn't even know they made this. A bronzer brush, that's what it's a bronzer brush. This is, Elizabeth, this is way too cool. I never knew they even did makeup brushes. This is so cool. I could use this for blush. The craziest, coolest item ever. I'm so excited about this. And it's that beautiful, like it's done in like that pale pink classic Pandora color. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this, Elizabeth. Thank you so much. Do you have one of these? Because I feel like you should totally have one too. You find the coolest things, Elizabeth, like, oh my goodness. All right, and then we have the last item, which is this adorable Pandora box. But what I'm really eyeing is this card she did. It has this beautiful Christmas tree, and it says Merry Christmas with a little snowman on it. All right, so let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm so curious. I love these little cards she did. They're so beautiful, and you can see how much time she spent, because it's like they even have little colors and details on them. I love how she has opened me last. Okay, what could this be? I actually have no idea what this could be at all, so I'm very curious. It is in one of the bracelet boxes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited, Elizabeth. She got me the Essence bracelet, the beaded one. And I really wanted this because I recently, well I guess it wasn't that recently, but I got a new Essence charm. And it doesn't really go with the theme of my other Essence charms, so I wanted an individual place to put it. She got me the Essence bracelet. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. It's beautiful. Oh, and it says here, PS surprise on the bottom. Okay, what could it be? Here is an extra surprise / late birthday gift. Something to remind you of me for my love for rings. What, Elizabeth, what did you do? Oh, and there's another cute little note. You know how much I love stacking Pandora rings. Better together, stackable ring, white enamel. P.S. I have the same one. Twinning. Oh my, twinning. Okay, now I'm really curious. Oh my goodness. This, Elizabeth. It's stunning. This is stunning. This actually will look so gorgeous with that rose enamel ring I just got. Like to stack them together, it'll look like a stunning combination together. This is beautiful. I love the white enamel detail. It's beautiful. And it's like my perfect size. It's a size 52. It's like I don't even know how you knew that, because I don't think I even asked for like rings on my wish list. So the fact that you know I'm a 52, you're like so talented. I can't believe that. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. I'm sure I'm showing close-ups when I go over this. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited about the Essence bracelet. This, like you did, including a bonus ring, is so sweet of you. I can't, my goodness, and my little witch for like my, oh no. Like I'm so excited to just play with everything, and this is so special. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. This is so fun. I really hope you like the items I got for you. Fingers crossed that you do. And thank you for making this Christmas extra special. If you guys don't know, Elizabeth actually came up with the idea to do a Christmas swap, which I think is so special. So thank you so much for including me in this. It was truly so much fun. So anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing this swap. Make sure to follow my friends, so Jandra, Elizabeth, and Nicole. I'll leave their channel links down in my description bar. And you can also check out their swap videos with the items I got them and the items that we got each other. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a very Merry Christmas. So take care, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.